Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your CapCut interactions to find out the new followers, comments, or likes on your CapCut account. So here, what you need to do is just open your CapCut, and to see or to view your interaction, you can just go to inbox at the bottom, and then in here click on the interactions tab on the and at the top here, and you'll see all of the interactions in here. You can see the comments, your new followers, your likes if you post a video on CapCut, and how many uses of your videos, and also how many user make your videos as their favorites. Okay, so that's a pretty simple tutorial for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.